Okay guys, these are not just any snack. These are the viral blood orange slices. And trust me when I tell you, this is about to level your kitchen game up. These are so good. Now they are 100% natural. Hand sliced, no added sugars, no preservative, no weird stuff, just pure citrus. Look at these, super crispy, light, and totally snack ready. But trust me, they're not just for snacking. I have been using them all over. I just used them for Thanksgiving and I stuffed a few in the carcass of my turkey. And when I tell you that flavor, oh my gosh, it was amazing. But I also use it daily for my drink garnishes, especially my hot tea. Even if you love a good cocktail, you can definitely level up your game using these. Like I said, I add them to my tea, but you can also bake with them, or you can do the cute little DIY crafts that I have seen all over different websites this year. They are super versatile. Now the flavor is a little bit tangy, slightly sweet, and a little tart. It feels gourmet, but totally natural. It's the kind of snack that just feels bougie and elevated. Now, if you want to bring a little citrus magic into your home and your kitchen, grab these blood orange slices. I promise you, they are more than just pretty. I've linked them down below for you.